Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's getting a lot of buzz in the skincare world, Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Face Serum. This is a high-performance serum that targets multiple signs of aging with its blend of ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and an advanced retinoid. So how well does it live up to the claims? Let's break it down. Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Face Serum is marketed as an anti-aging powerhouse designed to visibly repair lines and wrinkles while providing hydration. It's formulated to minimize the look of fine lines and dry, creepy skin, all while offering that elusive youthful glow we all seek. It's also fragrance-free, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. The star ingredients here are the advanced retinoid, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, each playing a critical role in improving skin texture, hydration, and elasticity. After testing this serum for several weeks, I found it was very easy to incorporate into my daily skincare routine. Its smooth texture made it easy to apply, and it absorbed quickly into the skin without leaving any residue. A little goes a long way, which is always a plus with skincare products. I used it both in the morning and evening, and I noticed it worked well with my other products. There were no issues with pilling or irritation, which can sometimes happen with retinoid-based products. In terms of real-world performance, I saw subtle but noticeable improvements. My skin felt more hydrated from the moment I applied it, and over time, fine lines appeared softened, especially around my eyes and forehead. The texture of my skin felt smoother, and the serum seemed to work well with my skin's natural moisture balance. There were no harsh reactions, and I didn't experience any dryness or redness, which can often happen with retinoids if you're not careful. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, this serum is lightweight, absorbs well, and provides noticeable hydration. The presence of hyaluronic acid is a game changer, as it helps plump the skin and keep it moisturized. The addition of peptides is another great touch, as they are known to support collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Additionally, the unscented formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin. On the flip side, the price point may be a downside for some. While it's definitely effective, there are alternatives in the market that offer similar results at a lower price. Also, since the product contains retinoid, it's essential to wear sunscreen during the day, as retinoids can make the skin more sensitive to UV exposure. This could be a hassle for some, especially if you're already using a crowded skincare regimen. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product justifies its price if you're specifically looking for an anti-aging serum with multiple active ingredients working together. The results are tangible, but if you're on a budget, there are other retinoid-based serums out there that are more affordable and still effective. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to explore products like the ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% emulsion. It's a great alternative if you're seeking similar retinoid benefits without the higher price tag. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional with a pump dispenser that helps maintain the serum's integrity by minimizing air exposure. As for longevity, I've noticed that with consistent use, the product maintains its potency and delivers results consistently over time. If you've ever needed to contact Clinique's customer support, you know they're known for being responsive and helpful. I didn't need to reach out during my testing, but the brand's reputation for customer service is solid, so I'm confident they would address any concerns swiftly. As for product updates, this formula seems to be holding strong. If Clinique decides to release an updated version, perhaps with even more innovative ingredients, I'll be interested to see how it stacks up. To sum it up, Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Face Serum delivers on its promises to hydrate, smooth fine lines, and improve overall skin texture. It's a great choice for those who are willing to invest in their anti-aging routine and want a high-quality, well-formulated serum. However, if you're more budget-conscious, there are alternatives that could fit the bill. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to keep up with all our honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you the best insights into the beauty world. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this serum, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences.